What is up, guys? Today we will talk about Uniswap's liquidity pool. Today we will explain about what is Uniswap liquidity pool. Well, for that I have this small paragraph which will tell you in details. So first of all, we will take it as an example. Imagine you have some apples and bananas and you want to help others trade them easily. You put both your apples and banana in a big basket at the market, and the basket is special because anyone can come to the market and swap their apples for bananas or bananas for apples from this basket. In this crypto, basket is called as a liquidity pool. Instead of apple bananas, people put in two types of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and stablecoin. When people want to trade between these two cryptocurrencies, they can take the pool and in return they add more of the other cryptocurrencies back in. So we just put two cryptocurrencies in one space. It is called as liquidity pool, and the liquidity pool people come and trade, and you get some bonus because if someone is buying Ethereum, he will pay for the other currency a little more than your value. So that's how you make profit in the liquidity pool. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.